Hi, to insert micro SD card in your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we will need to take this tool which is called ejector, and it goes in a complex with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool, you can find it anywhere, or you can try to use needle or pin, but be careful because there is a possibility that you may damage this SIM slot. And now let's find this slot. So on this phone, it is located right on top and you can see this little hole in it. So you need to take your ejector and place it in this hole, then slightly press till this slot will pop up like that. And now you need to pull it out with the help of your nails. So let me just try this out. It is not so comfortable, I'm just gonna say, because I got really long nails, but I'm gonna try. And it's me against the SIM slot, guys. And yep, I won. And now we can see the place for the first SIM card and for the second and for the micro SD card. So here I got my SIM card. I'm just gonna take it out and place it in the first SIM slot because second we are gonna use for micro SD card. So let me just change it real quickly. And now we need to take our micro SD card. Here just notice those retention brackets, and you need to take your micro SD card with chip side upwards and simply place it in the right position like this. So let me just try to do it here, and you need to press on it so it will click and look something like that and be secured in this SIM slot and won't fall out. So after that, just notice this little hole here. Here you should see the hole as well, and this hole needs to match, so put it in the right position and close the SIM tray securely and completely like this. And now you should take a look at this left top panel. Here you should see this micro SD card icon. We can also swipe down and check whether we received a message about inserted micro SD card or not. If not, here just search for the Files app. Let's just use the search bar. Here just enter Files. And yep, now open this My Files. And here in this storage tab, you should see your SD card, meaning that everything was inserted correctly. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.